Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Well, the reason that I won is because my area has been totally neglected by the ex-MLA, Mr. PN Sim. There was no development at all in the whole constituency, and that is how people have given a good reply. And they want a change. They want a change, they want a development, and that's how they have given. And now I am the new MLA now. We have to take up a lot of work. A lot of works are to be taken up. A lot of developmental works, including roads, bridges, and particularly individual schemes for the people. That is what we need. Yes, on the health sector too, we need to bring a lot of change. Well, the service is the same. I was serving for the people. I'll serve for the people more, better, I guess, as a policymaker. And I guess I would be able to help the people more better, understand their problems, understand the pains of the people that they are facing, and they really need help. The factor is the change. People really wanted a change. For 2 terms, Mr. PN Sim could not deliver. People wanted a lot of developmental works. He could not give any. So that is the major factor where the people's expectations are very high right now. I pray God that He gives us wisdom to deliver the goods. Connectivity is the main reason there. I guess most of you have also travelled my constituency, and you have seen we need good roads, we need connectivity. People are not being able to communicate. They need one whole day to reach the capital. So my first priority would be connectivity.
Thank you.
Ay, hantay.